Hey y'all, today we are talking about a new foundation, drugstore. You guys know I love drugstore. And it is the Milani Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation. Digital blue light filters. I got the shade 310 Golden Sand and I got this at Ulta. They have a whopping 45 shades. Drugstore, 45 shades. Yes, great job, Milani. So let me tell you a little bit about this. It says, break up with blue light. You're on your phone 24/7. Milani's not mad at you, but your skin might be because the blue light coming from your device could be doing some serious damage. Level up your skin's digital defense with Milani's Screen Queen Foundation, created to give you woke up like this, effortlessly perfect skin. I mean, is that not what we all want? Yes. This buildable light to medium coverage foundation blends seamlessly and blurs imperfections for an even, luminous, natural, skin-like finish. Made with digital blue light filter technology, this first of its kind formula helps fight the signs of digital damage, dullness, discoloration, and hyperpigmentation to keep your skin on point no matter how much screen time you clock. Awesome. It says that it has a weightless feel, it blurs, evens out your skin tone, the blue light stuff, some sort of flower extract, promotes oxygenation, helping to strengthen the skin's barrier and restore it, blah, blah, blah. Non-ashy formula for our darker skinned people. Formulated for all skin types, tones, and ages, cruelty-free and vegan. I love that. I love all of these claims. It is supposed to be long wearing, so we do a very long wear test today. And I did not set the makeup because I wanted to see exactly how it would wear on its own. So if you are new here, I use all natural lighting. We do not use any ring lights or artificial lights. I want you guys to see my skin as it is, all of my redness, all of my pores, everything. I don't want my skin to be blurred out. I want you guys to see color for exactly how it is. So what you see is what you get here on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and let's hop in. I am so excited about this. I don't know how I overlooked it. You guys know I pretty well stalk Ulta every day, and somehow this just passed me right up. Let's get this on the face. So this is Screen Queen. This is one of those that is a lot like the Physicians Formula. It's blue light. We are on our phones all the time, you guys, so I totally get it and I am down for it. Let me shake this up. Okay, I've been sitting here trying to pump this for like ever, and I just had my carpal tunnel shot and it's getting rough now, but it will not come out. All right, switching hands. We're just gonna sit here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I'm fixing just to open it and smear it on the face. Oh my gosh. There's like a little sound in there. Maybe it actually is broken. I don't know. Okay, I'm over the pump. I've sat here forever, so I'm just gonna do this. Not sanitary, but when your pump won't work, you gotta do something, right? Improvise. I should have just dumped it out onto my hand, but I didn't. So this is what we're doing. Luckily, I just washed my face literally before I sat down. I'm gonna grab a brush and start to push this into the skin. It is supposed to be light to medium coverage. So let's hope this is buildable. Definitely a luminous finish. I love that. Wow. Loving the finish. It is pretty thick. It's not runny, which in a foundation, that is what I prefer. I like a thicker foundation that kind of spreads out easily, not my dog's outside barking, but yeah. I don't really like a super duper runny or serum like foundation. That's not my go-to. There is no shimmer or sparkle in here, but look how dewy and beautiful. This is our first layer. You know we're going to try to build this up. So let's go ahead and do a second layer. Ow, there's something very pokey on this. So I'm going to be careful. I'm going to do a full-on second layer on the cheeks. We'll add a little bit to the chin, nose, all that. I don't need any more on the forehead. Okay, I'm going to start on this side. Do the same thing, just push it into the skin. Hopefully this does build up. That would be great. I'm going to run over this with a sponge, so don't worry about all those brush marks. And then I want to run some down the neck as well. Just whatever is left on my brush. I'm going to grab a sponge and just push that into the skin. That's my preferred way of applying foundation. I like to kind of put it on with a brush, but then really smooth it out with a sponge. I can just tell you right off the bat, I absolutely love the finish of this. It's just beautiful. It is very skin-like. It has a glow to it. Oh my gosh. Of course, the coverage is not full coverage, but that's not what it's claiming to be. And I've really started liking less coverage. Definitely still tacky, so I'm going to let this kind of sit on the skin a while. Then we'll come back, talk about this. I'll let you guys know if I said it, but holy cow. Right now, it looks stunning. I love this. Okay, I will see you guys in just a few. Yep, still love it. So here is what we're going to do. I did not set the face, and it's still the slightest bit tacky, but not much. Normally I probably would have set the face, but right on the back of the bottle here, it says that this is long wearing. So if that is the case, I don't want to set it, and I want to make sure that it's long wearing on its own. So we used all cream products. The only powder that I used is on the eye, or sorry, not on the eyes, under the eyes. And I also did really simple makeup. I did a one shadow look on the eyes. I lightly filled in the brows because I just didn't feel like fooling with them, to be honest. But yes, this is what we look like, and I am excited. I had a total fail with another foundation, so I am so happy about this, you guys. I think it looks beautiful and radiant and very skin-like, not cakey. It doesn't feel cakey or heavy. Does not accentuate pores at all. I love this. So yeah, I am going to go about my day, and then we will be back several hours from now, and hopefully this looks just as good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in just a few. Okay, definitely reapplied my lip, but this lip, just a side note, is awesome. This is the new Revlon Shine, and it's in 003 Glossed Up Rose. It's beautiful. Again, my hair, I'm sorry, yes. So let's talk about this foundation. It has been on for 9.5 hours. That's all I could get on camera because luckily the sun is still out right now and it's fixing to go down. And if it goes down, it gets really, really dark really quick. And again, we use all natural lighting here. So 9.5 hours, I wouldn't consider it long wearing. But guys, I can tell you, I'm going to leave this on to at least the 12-hour mark. And I will almost guarantee you that this stays on beautifully. I bet I've had that on my face all day. Great. But I guarantee this stays on awesome. Shit, I keep dropping everything. I just cleaned my beauty blender and now it's dirty because I hit the floor. Anyway, okay. Yeah, it is fixing to be my time of the month, and it's just like, I think I'm just riled up. I don't know. But anyway, it has not separated. It's not gotten cakey. It is not patchy. It has not done anything weird. It's not caked up in my smile lines a bunch, and a lot of foundations will do that. Not this one. I love this. It's naturally beautiful, and of course we didn't even set this, guys. So if it lasts 12 hours without setting it, you could set this and be good, no problem. I honestly love the way that this looks. Like I said, it did not accentuate pores. It almost blurred the skin out a bit, but I love, love, love how it is dewy like this. And it pretty well did set. I don't see transfer. Like, it's not super tacky. I really have no complaints. And 45 shades. I think it built up to a solid medium coverage. I love that. Now, between these two, I don't know yet. I've worn this one several times. This is a first impressions. I love this package though. Like, I love it. It's beautiful. But with the Physicians Formula, this one has SPF in it. Plus it has the blue light defense and pollution defense. This one is strictly digital blue light filter. So with these two, I don't know. I want to keep using this one, and then I will let you guys know which one I like better. So yeah, with all that being said, I highly recommend this if you want something light to medium coverage, kind of natural, but it does still have good coverage. But it looks really natural, feels very light, plus has the blue light defense in it. So I love that. I'm really shocked. I'm so glad that we are getting foundations now. It was like forever it seemed like it was nothing but eyeshadow palettes. So I'm happy to have all of these new foundations to try out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell. And I hope to see you in the next one, and I will of course update you guys down below in the description. Bye guys.